Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this hairdo right here within less than 2 minutes. So if you do want to see how, then definitely keep on watching.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything real good. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty.
So for today's install, I'll be installing a wig that I got from Ashimary here. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I'm butchering your name, but yeah. So I'm installing a wig from this company right here. Here we have our wig. They send you... Aw, cute! They send you a robe. So they send you a robe, a silk robe too, with their logo on it. Alright y'all, so just to be extra and for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to wear the robe. This is so cute. Thank you guys so much for the robe. Now let's continue. So they also sent me some HD wig caps. You also get, okay, what is this now? What is this? Is this a dress? Or an apron? Okay, it's either a dress or an apron, I'm not sure. They definitely stepped their game up with their free gifts, okay? Next we have some lashes. They also send you an edge brush, more edge brush, and their melt pen. This wig right here is their deep wave unit, and it does come braided. Yeah, this is so cute. The wig literally comes braided for you. On the inside there are some combs and it has the jaw strap in the back. Before trying this on, as you guys can see, the lace is looking a little, it's looking a little ashy. So I'm just gonna go with my lace tint and spray it all over the lace. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna let it sit for about 5-10 minutes and I'll be back to finish styling it.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending,
it made a war that was fighting now. And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on and calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, I will wait for you.
Alright y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like now that I'm finished with installing her. This wig was so easy to install. There was honestly no work needed. All you really have to do is go ahead and lay down the lace itself, and that is pretty much it. The wig already comes ready to wear basically. If you do want to add baby hairs, you can. So I feel like this is so cute and adorable, you guys, especially for the girlies that's looking for a nice wig to go back to school with. You know, you want to go back to school looking your best. This is definitely a great back to school wig. I cannot tell the last time I did a hairstyle like this, and this is like bringing me back memories when I was like in high school and stuff. But this is so cute. I think this turned out really great. Like I said, you guys, the wig is pretty much ready to wear. All you have to do is install the lace, and that is pretty much it. You would have to go in and either bleach the knots or add some lace tint. I feel like I did use the wrong color lace tint. Mine is a little dark. Had I used a lighter lace tint, you definitely would have been able to see more of like the roots of the wig itself. But yeah, the wig is great, you guys. I really love the fact that they do give you a lot of lace to work with. I believe this is a 13x6 lace front if I'm not mistaken, but you do get like a lot of wig space to work with, so I really appreciate that, because like I said, nowadays with lace frontals, they're always so stingy with the lace. I don't know why. Also, this is a free part unit, which means you can part this wig on any which way. But yeah, this turned out really gorgeous, you guys. I honestly have no words. I believe I got this in a 26-inch if I'm not mistaken. The hair is pretty long. Again, it is their deep wave unit, and the curls are really gorgeous. That's pretty much it on this hair. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this hair. Are we here for this? Because this wig is definitely giving summer vibes, vacay vibes, back to school, like everything in one. It's doing it for me. I really love the way that this turned out. I will have all the details down below for you guys, where you guys can find this exact same unit. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
City from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking.